Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today we're making a Reggae Rum Punch. The Reggae Rum Punch was created by Burnell. He's a global rum ambassador. He loves everything about rum. He's super passionate about Jamaican rums and he has a lot to do with the rules and regulations in regards to labeling or rum labels and the criteria involved in that. So this one here, he does call for a straight Jamaican rum, specifically a white overproof, but I'm going to go against his recipe and I'm going to split the base with Ray and Nephew OP, so overproof rum with the plantation overproof as well. This is actually a blend of Jamaican, Barbadian and Guyana, is that how you pronounce it, rum. So by adding this in, it's going to add a little bit more complexity and add some vanilla notes to it, which has been extracted from the barrel. So I'm just going to, it calls for 60 ml, 2 ounces of the OP, so I'm just going to split it evenly, do 30 and 30. So we'll add that straight into the shaker. It's shaken, strained over ice, and served into a highball glass. So 30 ml, 1 ounce of the plantation OP, aged, 30 ml, 1 ounce of the white OP. Then we have 60 ml of freshly squeezed orange juice, 2 ounces. And likewise for the pineapple juice. Then last of all, 15 ml, half an ounce of strawberry syrup. Not last of all, I lied. And then 15 ml of fresh lime juice. Even though it's got some pretty potent rum in this drink, I think it's going to be quite easy to drink, quite sessionable, because it does have a fair bit of a lengthener with the 2 juices. Plenty of ice into the shaker and give it a shake. Created a vacuum. I can see the pineapple juice has already given it a nice foam to it, so this should look quite lovely. Straight over the top. Look, a little bit left. Add a surfside sip, and for garnish, typical tiki, tropical kind of flavors. So I'm going to add a slice of pineapple. I'm going to make a smaller slice of pineapple. This looks good. And a sprig of mint. Oh, pretty. I've already filmed 3 cocktail videos so far, so to the 4th cocktail of the day, the Reggae Rum Punch. Cheers. I probably could have double strained that, or at least strained my orange juice beforehand, because it's freshly squeezed, so it's quite pulpy. I think it kind of adds to it though. You can it doesn't taste overly strong, but I can tell that there is a great deal of rum in there. These are both around 63%, or 69 and 63%, so got like 3 or 4 standard drinks in there. It's a typical punch. It's like just super summery, easy to drink, but yeah, you can tell there's quite a lot of rum in there. You get those tropical flavors, the orange and pineapple. It lengthens it out quite a bit, so it makes it quite an easy yet dangerous drink to consume. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.